In this video, we're going to go over using modification requests in your Lookahead. What a modification request allows you to do, it allows a trades partner, a superintendent, or anybody else that has access to your Lookahead to let you know when they need additional time in a task that might impact the end date of an activity in your master schedule. For example, we have foundations with a 10-day duration that ends on December 23rd. And then we have our task here with a current end date of December 23rd. If I come in here and make a change to that task and say I'm actually going to need to the 27th for the end of that task, it's not going to impact my activity. It's not going to create an impact on my master schedule, but it is going to notify me here with this little red button that I need to send a modification request. So what that could be is me as a superintendent, I could say I need more time for rebar delivery delay. I can send that request, and then that'll go to my project manager or my project admin for the master schedule. They can then review the impact that it'll have. So what changes it'll make to the activity and any other changes it might make to my schedule. So if I go from my look ahead and go over here to the left and go back to my master schedule, as a project admin or a project manager, I'll have the ability to see modification requests that have been submitted. So we've got our activities here. We can see these numbers within those activities. That's the number of tasks in our Lookahead connected to that activity. And then I've got this orange icon. That's a modification request that's waiting for me. So if I select that, I can see my pending modification requests. So it's 4 foundations. It's impacting here. It's going from a duration of 10 to 11 days. I can see my new end date and need more time for rebar delivery. So what I can do at this point, if we watch the duration over here and we watch our Gantt chart, if I select preview, it's going to extend that out to 11 days and then also show where it impacts the rest of our schedule based off of our current baseline. So it added an additional 2 days to foundations. That's because there's a holiday located in there. And then also an additional day to these other activities that are linked to it. I can simply come in and either reject that or approve that. And it will then make that change to the activity and then reflect that back in my look ahead. This can be a great tool to allow you to tell the story of why changes are occurring on your project for any number of reasons. Thanks. We'll catch you in the next video.